Look at these awesome LEGO Formula 1 race cars. They may be small, but they're super fast and super fun. Each car has its own color and style: red, blue, green, black, purple, and more, almost like the real racing teams you see on TV. These mini racers come in small packs, sometimes on their own and sometimes in sets with a few cars together. They're easy to build, and the best part is smart. You can collect them all. Usually, each little car costs only a few dollars. So it's a cool way to build your very own LEGO Grand. Now, if you love these tiny F1 cars, LEGO also makes bigger ones. The Speed Champions cars are larger, with more pieces, and you can even fit a LEGO driver inside. And then, there are the huge Technic Formula 1 cars with moving wheels, steering, and even little engines that work when you push them. So whether you're racing the small cars on your table, or fixing the big ones piece by piece, LEGO makes sure there's a race car for everyone. And remember, if something breaks during the race, that's no problem at all. Just fix it, rebuild it, and get back on track.